Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Seitter. So today I'm gonna show you how to make your very own live video. So if you all have so you should have these three apps: iMovie, Keynote. Actually, I meant iMovie, Clips, and KineMaster. So first we're gonna start with Clips. So I'm going to show you. So you slide this red button and then you introduce yourself. I'm going to show you. Let's practice. Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Seitter and I'm going to be teaching some camera stuff, and I'm going to teach kids how to do this if they have this app. Then tap this button to turn it off. With this button, you can go in speech recognition, or you can make your own emojis. I think I'll do the party. I'll do. I think I'll make. Well, we can make filters. I know. I think I'll do. I'll do mine in Jasper, because I like this color. But now let's try it. Hello everybody. My name is Mr. Seitter, and I'm gonna be teaching some camera stuff. And I'm going to teach kids how to do this if they have this app. Then tap this button to turn it off. Whoa, that was cool. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to do it. So I guess you're going to go to this button. I think you could go to posters, then look up everything, and then pick which one you like. You can do occasions. I think I'll do. Maybe I will not do mine. I think I'll do. Maybe I'll make mine. Happy holidays, even though that's not here anymore. So you're gonna tap this and then erase all of this, then type your name, Mr. Seitter, and Mr. Seitter. And then you're gonna introduce yourself. You're gonna say, "You love this part. I love this one." You have to say your name. And you say some notes like Happy Halloween, Mr. Seitter. Or happy holidays. And I'll do mine. Listen. Be very closely. Happy holidays. My name is Mr. Seitter. Now let's see it. Happy holidays. My name is Mr. Seitter. Now let's watch the whole thing. Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Seitter, and I'm going to be teaching some camera stuff, and I'm going to teach kids how to do this if they have this app. Then tap this button to turn it off. Happy holidays, my name is Mr. Seitter. So you could press trim. and to make this part. Then I'm gonna do I'll take off the button to turn it off part. There. Yes. Now let's watch it one more time. Then we'll do Kind Master. Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Seitter, and I'm going to be teaching some camera stuff, and I'm going to teach kids how to do this if they have this app. Happy holiday, my name is Mr. Seitter. Mr. Seitter is my name. So now, open up Actually, we won't be doing Kind Master today. We'll do that another day. So now we're gonna just do iMovie. That will be all done with our lesson for today. We'll do another one next week. Open up iMovie. and then tap movie, and then you can make your movie. I have a lot of good stuff. I have this one with Christian Ritter. I think you have to tap the buttons, and then I'll tap this one, and then next I think I'll do the one with Knuckles. It's not that one. I think boost and bumper save from Cars. Ooh, then you can change effects. Like this. There's none, theme, dissolve, slide, wipe, and fade. I think I'll do slide. I'll do all slides. Then that's all. Let's watch it. You can add music to the back. I'll make a voice video. Then you can try it too. I'm going to teach you how it works. Hello, I'm Mr. Seitter. That picture's Christian Ritter. That's Knuckles the Echidna. Sonic and Mania Sonic Legos. Knuckles with firepower. Boost from Cars. And bumper save from Cars. Hello, I'm Mr. Seitter. That picture's Christian Ritter. That's Knuckles the Echidna. That's Knuckles the Echidna. Sonic and Mania Sonic Legos. Knuckles with firepower. Boost from Cars. And bumper save from Cars. Well, hello, I'm back. So I guess next you can make a storyboard. There's about me, celebration, cooking, day in the life, do it yourself, gaming, how it works, makeover, Q&A, film, thank you, top 5, trip, wellness, product pitch, product review, reveal, book report, news report, science experiment, and trailers. So I guess I'll stick with the trailers. Those are better. Here's all of these. There's Adrenaline, Bollywood, Coming of Age, Expedition, Fairy Tale, Family, Indie, Narrative, Retro, Romance, Scary, Superhero, Swashbuckler, and Teen. I guess I'll stick with Expedition. Yes, you can do another one. So I'm gonna add a few photos, or maybe we will. Actually, I think we won't be doing any of this today, but we'll just watch the video and see how we can do it next time. for the next lesson. Apple cider. Colin, on the question of being stressed. That's a cool one. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I got a screenshot. Now we're gonna go do Kind Master. Maybe we'll do Kind Master, then that'll be it. That's my last one. That'll be it. Tap Create New. Yeah, tap Create New right there. Don't press Premium. Now, you can name it. I'll name mine Mr. Seitter's Kind Master movie. Oh, create. Now we should add some photo. I'll do panorama. I'll do Dr. Evo Gerald. Then next we'll add some videos. I'll do Dr. Robotnik, Sonic. 3 goes over to take you down from Sonic 3. That and that. So now we should watch it. There they are.
Why would you throw your life away for this thing? That's why I don't...
Green goes up.
This town's in a lot of trouble. Wait.
Now, you should tap AI, and then you should tap auto captions or music match. I'll do music match. See, I'll do something else. I'll do auto captions. English. Tap English, or you can do your other languages. What we'll do in other languages some other day. So let's watch it. You could hold this to put it in full screen mode.
Why would you throw your life away for this thing? That's why I don't...
Green goes up.
This town's in a lot of trouble. Wait.
But that's not a movie. Ooh. I think that's gonna be all for our lesson. I think it's almost done. I guess we should go to one more time. Yep, there's way. Yep, I think that's all for today. Alright, well, goodbye everybody. It was so nice to see you guys. It was so good. We're gonna do lesson 2 someday. Next Friday.